Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now I need you to follow this analogy carefully. Remember that Pere said that, Whitemoney avoided him on the very first day that they got into the house. Remember the first day of the launch, right? It was all the guys that came into the house first. And guess what? As soon as they got into the house, Pere said that Whitemoney avoided him on the first day. Now I need you to watch this video carefully and see if Whitemoney really avoided Pere.
They tell you, Chief.
Now in this video, you see how the Whitemoney greeted everyone, and of course when he got to Pere, it was the same way he greeted Saga that he greeted Pere. There was no difference. He greeted you and he moved on. He greeted you and he moved on.
Were you on the Rocco tree in your former life?
Oh boy. I don't know. What a check. This is going to be fun. I'll tell you. Sweet. Don't be salty. Don't be salty. Saga.
And here is Pere saying that, you know what? Whitemoney avoided him on the first day.
On my very first day, White, this is what I noticed. When all the gents came in the house, I shook everyone's hands. We're all happy, excited. You, White, you avoided my eyes. I felt the negative energy from you. It was as if you didn't want to even look at me or shake my hand. I had to force you practically to be in your face like, hey, yo, I'm right here. This is my hand.
Now I'm going to show you another video. In this second video, they made it their way into the executive lounge, and of course they started singing, right? All the guys started, singing and all of that. And we heard Whitemoney, dropping his lines in the patois form, and he was talking about the fact that, he is the greatest of all times, right? And of course we see all the housemates hailing Whitemoney, and then Pere comes and bows before Whitemoney.
They tell me say they love me style. Come this place and make you live them truth. Make everybody acting like goats. If you go to where they're the man, I mean the G-O-T, that you know what, it's like G-O-D. So
if you look at this video carefully, you see Pere walking towards Whitemoney and tapping Whitemoney and bowing before Whitemoney, because of the lines that Whitemoney dropped in the song that they were trying to sing. And Pere said that, Whitemoney avoided him on the very first day. Now, having solidified the points that Pere was lying all along, right? We now see Whitemoney in the diary room with Big Brother, and of course Big Brother asked him about what happened, and he was explaining the fact that he got bullied. And he really felt, washed down, and he felt bullied by Pere.
So I'm managing him the way he is. As regards the situation, I felt really bad. I felt like a baby. Imagine my size now, walking at them, man. I'm a big man. Just reduced me to baby, so defenseless. I felt really bad. That's why I couldn't play the game with them, and I don't think I'm going to play any game with them if it's that kind of setting.
And as soon as he was done, Big Brother told Whitemoney, after listening to all that he said, he told him that, he's going to attend to this issue.
Because it was not a good incident at all. No good.
Big Brother will look into this matter.
Thank you, sir.
Your diary session has come to an end.
Moving on to my next gist. Tega in the diary room today told Big Brother that Maria is a user. How did it all start? Big Brother was asking her what she feels about the fact that Maria is the new head of house, right?
Maria is a user. She's a user. Before the whole head of house thing, if she finds you under her clothes, she will use it till you're drained. So her being head of house, like in my head, I'm already braced up for anything. Because
moving on to my next gist, Big Brother was asking Maria today that what's up, the fact that Emmanuel and of course Michael were taking the advances that Angel was throwing at them, that why couldn't they put boundaries since they were, they had partners in the house, right? And Maria was like, boys will always be boys, and Big Brother told her that if boys will always be boys, taking advances from every girl that comes your way, then Angel can be Angel.
Do you think Emmanuel and Michael
should have defined and declared their boundaries to Angel if they respected their partners.
I totally agree with what you're saying, but at the end of the day, men, or rather should I say boys, will be boys. But it's not so of the boys, because boys will be boys. It's so much more about her, not...
Maria.
Yes, big brother.
If, as you say, boys will be boys, then maybe Angel will be Angel.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please go to the comment section and let us continue our conversations there. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guess what? You get notified whenever I post a video. Go on all social media platforms on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at Femi Daniel. And until next time I come your way very soon, it's bye for now.